Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2020 Transit Wagon. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires front all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, lane departure warning, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.